The Four Pillars of Investing by William J. Bernstein is a comprehensive and accessible guide to understanding the world of investing. The book is structured around four fundamental pillars that form the foundation of successful investing, providing readers with a solid framework to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. Below is a summary of each of the four pillars. Pillar 1, Theory. Bernstein begins by delving into the theoretical aspects of investing, explaining the principles of risk and return. He explores the history of financial markets and how various asset classes have performed over time. He introduces readers to concepts like efficient markets, the capital asset pricing model, CAPM, and the importance of diversification. This pillar helps readers build a solid understanding of the theoretical underpinnings of investment strategies. Pillar 2, History. In the second pillar, Bernstein takes readers on a journey through the history of finance, highlighting key events and market trends that have shaped the investment landscape. He explores the historical performance of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real assets, providing valuable insights into long-term market behavior. By examining past financial crises and market bubbles, he illustrates the importance of maintaining a long-term perspective and avoiding common pitfalls. Pillar 3, Psychology. The third pillar delves into the psychological aspects of investing. Bernstein emphasizes the role of human behavior and emotions in financial decision-making. He discusses common cognitive biases that can lead to irrational investment choices, such as overconfidence, loss aversion, and herding behavior. By understanding these biases, readers can better manage their emotions and make more rational investment decisions. Bernstein also provides guidance on creating a disciplined and well-thought-out investment plan. Pillar 4, Business. The fourth and final pillar focuses on the practical aspects of investing, including the structure of financial markets, investment products, and strategies. Bernstein explains the various investment vehicles available to investors, such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and individual stocks and bonds. He also discusses the importance of asset allocation and provides guidance on constructing a diversified portfolio tailored to individual goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, he covers topics like taxes, fees, and the impact of inflation on investment returns. Throughout the book, Bernstein emphasizes the importance of a long-term perspective, patience, and discipline in achieving investment success. He provides readers with valuable insights into asset allocation, risk management, and the benefits of a balanced and diversified portfolio. He also encourages readers to take an active role in their financial education and to avoid relying on financial professionals without understanding the basics of investing. In addition to the four pillars, Bernstein offers practical advice on retirement planning, estate planning, and managing risk in one's investment portfolio. He stresses the need for investors to continually educate themselves and adapt their strategies to changing market conditions. The Four Pillars of Investing is a comprehensive and informative book that serves as an excellent resource for both novice and experienced investors. It equips readers with the knowledge and tools needed to make informed investment decisions, navigate the complexities of financial markets, and work toward achieving their long-term financial goals. By combining theory, history, psychology, and practical advice, William J. Bernstein provides a well-rounded and accessible guide to the world of investing.